Good evening, friends. So, in the last video, we have learned about the interface of R Studio. So, in the today's session, let's go to R Studio. Type R Studio. So, this is the interface. So, today we will learn about the packages in the R. If you want to work in R for any kind of working, any kind of command, you need a package, a separate package for any command. Say, for example, if you go to a site, type R CRAN. So this is the comprehensive R archive network. You click here, and this is the main site from where we downloaded the R software. So here is the option packages. Click here. So just click here. So you will see that these are the available CRAN packages by the date of publication. You have many options. So there are 15, more than 15,000 packages. So every package have different function. So this is the package. If you go downward and you will find the package name. For example, R toolbox. So this is the package and this is the function. This package is used for remote sensing data analysis. Like as you go downward, you have the package name and the explanation that the purpose of which the package is used. So if you want to work in R, you have to install first this package and then your command will work. Without this, your command will not execute and the RStudio will give you a error. So likewise, you have many packages here. You can copy paste here or according to your preference, you can note down the package which is required for your research working. So let's go to here. So basically when you install the package in the RStudio, you have three options. So first option is you can directly type install.packages and bracket and inverted comma the name of the package. For example, the package name is mass, MASS. And then you press the control plus enter button. So this is the first case. Second, you go to tools. There is the option install packages. Then you have to type mass, MASS, and there is a Dropbox come. Then click install packages. And then third option, directly go to the package option. In the plot option, type mass package and then click install. So let's see this option one by one. Let's go to R. So you can see that this is the help page. You can click here plot. Your screen is clear. This screen is clear. And if you want to clean this clear, I have also mentioned in my PPT. So to clear the console screen, you have to type Control plus L. So just click here and press Control plus L. So your screen is clear. And go there, unite it, and this is your screen, working screen. You can cut here. So for example, if you want to install certain packages, so the first option is you can click here, install. When you click here, and if you are connected with your internet Wi-Fi connector, so there is a drop box come like this. Install dot packages. You don't need to write all this. You can click here, install dot packages and inverted comma. And in between the inverted comma, you type the package. For example, I type BASE base, and then you have two options. Either you have to click on the run option, you can click run option, and then your command will execute it. Or for example, you just install dot packages and then click READ R. It's a package. You can click here and then you click run package. So you see this red option that your package is installing. And when your package is installed successfully, at the end, it shows that your package is downloaded successfully. Let's try again. Type install dot packages. So another package READ XL. So this is the package. So likewise, you can type run, execute the command, or you can type control plus enter. So you can type same. Sometime it happen when you give the command, there is some error in the command or maybe in the execution that it shows the error. So you have to again type the command install dot packages read excel enter. Okay, again inf install dot packages read excel. Okay, so this is the first method. Second method, you can go directly to tools and then click on install packages, and then here type your package names. For example, I type a package HAVEN. So you see that when you type HAV, it come here. Just click here, Heaven, and click install. So when this red icon is here, it means your package is installing. So you have to wait for 2 minutes and then your package is installed successfully. This is the second method. 30 in the plot option, you go to packages and type here HAVEN, and you can see these packages here. Just click here and click install here. But it is already installed. I will skip this. So these are the three methods where you can install the package. Say for example, let's type again install, click here, install dot packages and type CER. It's the package. Click run. Copy. You can check here, go to install package, CER. So you have a package, click install. It's installing. Wait for 1 minute. This red icon means it is installing. So while these are installing, don't interrupt the process. You have to wait for 1 minute. Install. If you want another package, go to tools packages. You can type here M moments. Click here and install. Okay, and please install here. Again, type here install dot packages and type p5 r. So this is the package. Let's see. Okay. So here it is downloading. You can see the red icon. Just wait for 1 minute and this is installed successfully. So when you install this package, always make sure go to while you are working with your data set, go to tools and this is the install package option. Second option is check for package update. Click here. So it shows that these are the packages. For example, there is a package boot. So I have installed boot 1.331 installed and 1.332 is available. So just click here and install update. So always update your package so that your package will work properly and there is no error while you are working. Okay. So you can click here and check for package update or you have option here in packages. Go to any packages you can install here and also update the package here. Okay. And then, so this is the command we done there. Control plus L for clear the console screen and control plus enter to run the command. So these are the three methods. You can directly download the install packages. So these are the packages which I install. For example, for file import, you have base package. It is already installed in the R while you install the new version. Then you have read R package. Read R package is for CSV file. Then you have read Excel package. Read Excel package is for Excel file. CSV means comma separated file. Then you have Heaven. Heaven is used for file import for SPSS, SAS, and status file. Like you have mass package, which I installed, modern applied statistic with S, linear discriminant analysis के लिए. And then you have Levine test, car package for regression, and for odd ratio with cross tab, you have EPIR analysis of epidemiological data, and you have movement package for movements, QNAS, cortices, and related tests. Like you have many packages, different packages, and their purpose for different type of test. So according to your usage, you can download the packages and you can use the package. For example, I showed you the site. For this grand website, you have many packages. So you can just copy paste your packages like I have copy paste. So these are the packages in RStudio. You can save these in your Word file. So these are the list of packages. For example, I have bold this car package which I use and install for regression. Likewise, you can go downward. I have EPIR message for epidemiological data. I have highlighted the package which I have installed. Heaven package, import and export of SPSS data and SAS file. Then you have mass functions data set for variables and replies masses. Likewise, you have movements for skewness, cortices, and lattice tests, and you have many different type of packages. You can see there different type of packages and with the explanation what is the purpose of their package. So while you are working in the R environment, so while working with your data, if you want a particular type of analysis, so you have to install this package and then apply this package to your data set. So that's all for the packages part. Thank you.